Let's dive into the history and magic of the Kumano Kodo, an ancient pilgrimage route that winds through the stunning Kii Peninsula. Get ready for an adventure that blends nature, spirituality, and tradition. Imagine this. Over 1,000 years ago, pilgrims trekked through dense forests and rugged mountains, seeking spiritual enlightenment at the sacred Kumano Sanzan shrines. Fast forward to today, and the Kumano Kodo remains a UNESCO World Heritage Site, inviting modern travelers to walk in the footsteps of those ancient pilgrims. It is important to know that the Kumano Kodo isn't just one path, but a network of trails that connect various sacred sites. The most popular route, Nakaishi route, has been traveled by Japanese emperors and aristocrats since the 10th century. As you hike the trails, you'll encounter breathtaking scenery, from misty mountains and lush forests to tranquil rivers and ancient stone paths. Keep an eye out for the Oji shrines along the way. These small picturesque shrines serve as both physical and spiritual checkpoints for pilgrims. One of the most iconic spots of the Kumano Kodo is the Nashi Falls, Japan's tallest waterfall. Standing at 133 meters, this majestic cascade is considered a sacred site, symbolizing the purity and power of nature. It is truly a sight to behold. While you're walking, take a moment to appreciate the serenity and spiritual ambience that permeates the route. The Kumano Kodo is not just a physical journey, but also a path to inner peace and reflection. Here's a tip. If you're planning to hike the Kumano Kodo, wear comfortable shoes and pack light. The trails can be challenging, but the experience is deeply rewarding. And don't forget to bring a small notebook to collect stamps from the Oji shrines, a unique memento of your pilgrimage. At most hostels, you can find brochures where you can collect the stamps. And before you leave, don't forget to snap a selfie at one of the scenic spots and to tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!